Good morning and welcome back to another art lesson. Today we are going to be doing a heart project inspired by the artist Romero Britto. I have attached some images of his artwork so you can become more familiar with his style and all of the different patterns and lines that he uses in his artwork. You will also notice that his artwork has a lot of color. These are very bright colors that he uses. So I thought it would be fun, since we are getting close to Valentine's Day, to do a project inspired by hearts and Romero Britto. So what you're going to need today is a blank sheet of white paper, a pencil, a black marker, and then just either markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you have to color in your drawing. So in the very middle of your paper, you are going to draw a medium-sized heart. You should start with pencil. I am going to start with a Sharpie. So I'm just going to add a medium-sized heart right here in the middle of my paper. Once you have that done, then you are going to add straight lines that go all the way out to the edge of the paper, okay? So I'm going to start just kind of here in the middle of the heart, and I'm just going to go all the way out to the edge. It needs to touch the edge of the paper. Almost done. There we go. Okay, once you have that done, then you are going to fill up each one of these sections with different lines, shapes, and patterns. So maybe this first one, I'm going to add some polka dots. And again, you will do this with pencil first, and then you will use Sharpie to trace. If you don't have Sharpie, well, then you can just use a regular black marker. And then maybe I'm going to add some wiggly lines here on this one. But every section should be different. Okay, and then maybe I'm going to add like a flower, because he uses a lot of flower patterns in his artwork. And then I'm just going to keep going all the way around. Once you have all of your patterns done, trace them with a marker, and then you can get out your crayons, your markers, and your colored pencils, and you are just going to start coloring in your designs. Each section should be different. So I would not color all of these in blue. You want to use as many different colors as you can. So I'm just going to color in these polka dots using a dark blue. And then I think I'm going to use a crayon to color in the background, nice and light, so that you can still see those polka dots. And then once I'm done with this section, I will go to the next, and I will just work my way all the way around. Now, in the very middle, you still have your heart. So what I like to do is I just like to decorate the heart, and you can do whatever sized decorations you want, whatever type. I'm just going to add some spirals to mine using a marker. And then once it's done, then I'm going to pick out a crayon and just very lightly color on top. So you shouldn't have any white spaces on your project. Once you're all done, you will end up with something that looks very similar to this. Then you can take a photo of it and upload it into Seesaw and into your journal. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Good luck with your hearts.